I am AC Banerjee. I am extremely thankful to CIDC and Society for Strangeless Technology for organizing the exhibition for construction sector. I like to brief a little about my company, which I have formed after superannuation from Steel Authority of India Limited, serving more than 38 years. The purpose of this company is to create a pool of experts from steel and allied industries, particularly those people who are retiring from the government sectors normally does not work thereafter, but the kind of experience, the kind of difficulty, the kind of decision making, what they have learned over the years is immense helpful for the existing industries and startup companies. This pool is available for existing companies who can take the help of the experts for their areas needed. As a matter of fact, getting an experts readily is very difficult within the organization and outside the organization as well. I believe the people who work in the large sectors, lot of expansion, modernization, lot of changes takes place over the period what they observe, and the difficulties they solve is immense. Keeping this fact, the pool of resource, we are trying to help the industry and the product which are coming in the market, rather new product, that to be established. We are working for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for promoting the technology of light frame structure. The light frame structure is very useful, as we have seen. For kind information, it is to be mentioned here that BMTPC has taken an excellent move for this technology. Over the last few months, we are studying the trend of light frame technology use in India. We find that light frame technology is used in a fragmented manner. Moreover, the people are not very confident about this technology. We have taken a drive along with the FrameCAD to contact the PEB manufacturers, architects, structural engineers, builders, composite material manufacturers, etc., considering the fact the house is a product and the product needs all the kind of inputs. But the basic structure is of steel, light frames, which is very useful in hilly and earthquake prone areas. This technology can be promoted in this area. We are trying to establish the entrepreneurs at Assam. Assam has a good opportunity for this technology. 6 lighthouse projects has been already approved by BMTPC, where 1,000 houses has been approved and awarded for Tripura based on light frame steel technology. The advantage of light frame steel technology is that it is very fast construction process. The frames made are very accurate, as the design of the frames are done at the factory site and the three-dimensional views are seen. Any adjustments or modifications in the design drawing is taken care in the software, and thereafter the machine is programmed accordingly. The products which are coming out, they are very accurate. So in the site, the difficulty of installing them is very minimum. The light frame structures has another advantage, that because of the less dead load, the foundation cost is also less than 50% for normal building which are used today. This is also friendly for the environment. The transportation cost is also minimum. The labor requirements or the skill labor requirement is less, because the products are made accurate at the factory site itself. The labor requirement is less and not much of skill is needed. So there is advantage to use the local laborers. This has a big impact for the steel industry, as we have seen that housing sector is a growing sector and need for everyone continuously. So the demand of steel is also continuous. This will help the steel sectors in a big way for creating continuous demand, as well as taking the basic need of people of the country. The house is made of composite materials and other materials. Therefore, there is an opportunity for growth of other industry as well. This technology needs to be understood by the users, by the architects and the structural engineers. What we find that the technology is there, but the awareness of the technology or rolling out the technology is not taken place in a big way. However, BMTC's effort in this direction is really help all the people who are associated in this industry. I thank to CIDC for giving me an opportunity to speak at this forum. Thanks to everyone.